Yes, rotor. I got him. Dynasy and AGV. I don't know what that is. I just hope he's going the same way that I am. I know it's not a sports bike rider, but I haven't ridden in 2 weeks. So I'll take anything off my booty right now. He is going faster than I am, I can tell you that. I thought that brown thing was too hot. He's bending over. I got homies on the east to do this. I ate some booty. He's looking in the side mirror at me. If it was an open road, I feel like you'd gun it. The Tesla, the blue Tesla. It's a McLaren. Turning. I gunned it a little bit too much. It was a McLaren. I haven't seen a McLaren in a long time. Yeah, it's too tight. Gain's coming in heavy, it's too tight. The McLaren didn't seem like that type of person who would have gunned it anyways. Back in rain mode, baby girl. What is that? Super Saiyan mode. Super Saiyan. Sorry. I dumped his booty like anything. Oh, yeah. Damn lane, dog. I thought he would. That's why I put it till minutes ago in ascended sane mode. Austin Martin. All right then. Okay, that's what we'll be having fun with today. I'm on that dream. I'm on that dream. Kendrick have a dream. You know, I really want to listen to Ariana Grande. Alright, Aston. News is ready. Thumbnail. Good. Mustang, Tesla, Bjork, Aston Martin. Aston Martin. I got bitches. Damn, I got bitches. Damn, I got bitches. Wifey, girlfriend, and mistress. I don't think I'll do anything. Yeah, I don't think this assassin's gonna do anything. I know a lot of people tell me that, why don't you go up to them and tell them to do it? Because I don't really care for it. Because I'm better than that. I don't ask you to do stuff with me, you do stuff with me yourself, alright? I'm a king saying. But if I did tell him to do it, he'd have to do it. Because I run these booties on these streets. Country kind of dreams. Country kind of dreams. Yeah, see you later, freaks.